In the last lecture we have started the first technique of data pre-processing, that is data cleaning. In that we have seen how to handle the missing data. Now next part in the data cleaning is how to handle the noisy data. So what is noise? Noise is a random error or variance in a measured variable. So the noise may be due to the faulty data collection instrument or data entry problems, technology limitations, or inconsistent in the naming convention or data transmission problems. Other noisy data may be because of the duplicate records, incomplete data, and inconsistent data. Now how to handle the noisy data? So there are three techniques to handle the noisy data: binning, regression, and clustering. So what is binning? Binning method smooth a sorted data value by consulting its neighborhood. In binning, we have to first sort the data values and then partition that data values into equal frequency bins. For example, if we are having the 12 data elements, then we have to sort that 12 data elements first. Then we have to divide that 12 data into equal bins. If we want to put it in the 4 bins, then each bin includes the 3 values. Okay, so these 12 data elements are divided into 4 bins and each bin is having a 3 values. Then we can smooth this noise by bin means or bin median or bin boundaries. Okay, so smooth by bin means what? Means in this the each value in a bin is replaced by bin value. Means what? If the bin 1 contains the value 4, 8 and 15, so the mean value of this is 9. Okay, so all the values in this bin is replaced by 9 because the bin value of the bin is 9. So that is the smooth by bin means. Second technique is smooth by bin medians. So here the bin value is replaced by bin median. Then smooth by bin boundaries. So here the minimum and maximum values in a given bin are identified as the bin boundaries. Okay, and then each bin value is then replaced by the closest boundary value. If the value is closest to the maximum value, then the bin value is replaced by maximum value. Okay, so next step is regression. So data smoothing can also be done by regression. That is the technique that confirms data values to a function. So there are two types of regressions: linear regression and multiple linear regression. Linear regression involves finding the best line to fit the first two attributes. It finds the best value so that one attribute can be used to predict the other, and multiple linear regression is the extension of linear regression. Then clustering and outlier analysis. So clustering means we have to cluster the data elements such that the data elements in the one clusters are similar to one another, while the data elements in the another clusters are dissimilar. And in that we found the outliers also. So the outlier is the data value which is not fit in any cluster, that is called as the outlier. Okay, so these are the three techniques: binning, regression, clustering and outlier analysis to handle the noisy data. In the next lecture we will start with our data integration technique.